We are the generation that knows how to swipe up, but forgot how to look up. We ask ourselves, why am I so lost? But we have dropped the compass. We've muted the Quran. We call sujood a burden, but cry when the world breaks us. We post quotes on peace, but raise our voices at home. We think rebellion is power, but we can't even control our own tongue. We scroll for hours, but haven't sat with our creator for 2 minutes. Our mothers' backs are breaking, and we still ask her, why are you tired? Our fathers are silent, but we think that means they don't feel pain. Our teachers correct us, and we label them outdated. This is not growth. This is forgetting. Wake up before you love too late, before you pray too late, before you realize you had everything but gave nothing. Wake up before the adhan is called, and it's not for the salah, it's for you.